Her name was Marie Skłodowska. She had traveled from Poland with nothing but determination, a love for learning, and a fire in her soul that would not go out. At the Sorbonne, she studied harder than anyone, often fainting from hunger. And there, she met Pierre Curie, a gentle physicist, quiet but deeply passionate about discovery. Together, they became not only partners in life, but partners in science. Their attention turned to a mystery that was puzzling scientists around the world. Henri Becquerel had discovered that uranium salts gave off invisible rays, powerful, penetrating energy, but no one understood it. Marie was fascinated. What if these rays came not just from uranium, but from something even deeper, something new? She chose this puzzle for her doctoral research. It was a daring move. No woman had ever earned a science doctorate in France before, and the journey would be far from easy. They had no modern lab. What they had was a drafty, broken-down shed. But that shed became a temple of discovery. Their work centered on pitchblende, a dense black rock from mines in Bohemia. Strangely, pitchblende gave off even more radiation than uranium itself. Something else, some hidden element, was inside it. To find it, they had to process tons of this stuff, not grams, tons. Their bodies grew tired, their skin burned, but their spirit never broke. And then, one night, they walked into the dark lab, too tired to speak. And there it was, glowing. The tiny samples they had isolated shimmered with a soft, ghostly blue light. Not from any lamp, not from any flame. The light was coming from the substance itself. They had discovered a new element. They named it radium. It was beautiful, powerful, dangerous, and utterly unknown. Their discovery rocked the world. In 1903, Marie and Pierre Curie, along with Henri Becquerel, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Marie was the first woman in history to receive it, but the triumph was followed by heartbreak. In 1906, Pierre was struck by a horse-drawn carriage and killed. The world expected Marie to retreat, to grieve, to disappear. She didn't. Instead, she took over his teaching post, becoming the first female professor at the Sorbonne, and continued their research, alone. By 1911, she had isolated radium in its pure metallic form. That same year, she received a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry. To this day, Marie Curie is the only person ever awarded Nobel Prizes in two different sciences. Her discoveries opened the door to modern physics, to cancer treatments, to nuclear energy, to everything we know about radioactivity. But her story isn't just about science. It's about what one person can do with nothing but curiosity, grit, and the refusal to give up. Marie Curie once said,
"Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood."
Her life glowed with that truth. A glowing light in a cold, dark shed that changed the world forever.